We choose Infopark Cherthala based on the fact that we get all the facilities that are available in Kochi Infopark or even Trivandrum Technopark, but at a fraction of the cost in Cherthala. I am Prasanth Kumar and I am the director of Obidos Technologies Private Limited. We are a company based in Infopark Cherthala. We have been here for the last 2.5 years. We have clients from the United States and the United Kingdom. We have products that helps the tutors and students to communicate better and schedule the sessions so that they doesn't have any inconveniences in cancelling the session because of an unavailability. The system usually communicate with both the tutors and the students to give them the updates on the sessions, and so that both of them will be able to connect at the correct time. We work with ColdFusion, PHP, and also develop mobile applications for both Android and iOS. Anybody from any place will be able to meet up with another person. So the tutor may be from the East Coast and the student may be from the West Coast. So what happens is, with the normal systems, when we schedule the time, due to the differences in the time zone, it will have some overlaps and other things. But our system, what it does is, it will consider all these time zone differences. When we schedule a session, the session will be available to all the tutors and the students at the particular time itself. We started with a single employee and a single client, and after coming to Cherthala Infopark, now we have more than 6 full-time employees and more than 5 clients based in both US and the United Kingdom. We choose Infopark Cherthala based on the fact that we get all the facilities that are available in Kochi Infopark or even Trivandrum Technopark, but at a fraction of the cost in Cherthala. We get the food court, cab services, security, full-time internet, power supply, everything is available. Even this place is a plug-and-play office, so we just need to come to the office, use the computers. We don't need to invest anything extra for this office. In this kind of situations, we need to study different technologies, and we have to be at par with the latest technologies. So we have to study ourselves, take some time off from our day-to-day work, study a new technology, or even improve their skills. We will help them with tutorials. Even we have this Amazon meetings, meetups, everything. We give them facility for them to attend all those meetings. We post the advertisements in the Infopark site. Here we have a notice board for the upcoming or the current vacancies. We post them here, and using Facebook we used to get new talents, and there are few sites like Indeed.com. The offices that are here are, as I said earlier, it is all plug and play office. We just need to activate the internet connection and we can just start working. We don't need to have worry about any furniture or furnishing, anything is there. Considering the other facilities like security, food court, then the main important thing is the availability of internet. I think we have 2 or 3 internet service providers here, and power is also available. Even they have generator also. Even if the power is off, we will get the backup power. So we don't usually worry about anything when we are setting up an office in here. Actually, we are looking to hire more people and improve our products, because now after we have launched our product for the tutoring, there are a lot of inquiries that are coming, and we need to improve our product. Based on this particular application, we have other requirements for the mobile applications and also sub applications that can be used by similar institutions. So we are working on that.